So this video will show you how to add product reviews to Shopify for free using Judge Me. So according to the Judge.me website, this is how this is a 5 easy step to create your own review page using Shopify online. So first is that you should need to create a new blank page. In your Shopify admin, go to Store, then Pages, and click Add Page. Then enter a page title. Let's say Happy Customers, then click Save. Then enable the Judge.me app, and to display your reviews, you need to activate the Judge.me inside your theme settings. For that is that from your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, then find the themes, then you want to edit and click Customize. Click the app embeds icon, third one on the left panel, then click Judge.me app embed. Then click on Save. To create a review template is that this template lets you add the Judge.me all reviews web widget and customize the page with details like a title and business description. In the same theme editor screen, click the sections icon. From the drop-down menu at the top, select Pages, then click plus Create Template. Name it Judge Me _ reviews and click Create Template. On the left panel under Preview, change to the page you created in step 1. Click Add Section and select Reviews Page, which is the paid plan. Then drag the block to your preferred position on the page, then click Save. Now that your template is ready, let's connect it to your reviews page. Assign the template to your page, then for your reviews page is to display correctly, you need to link the page to the template you just created. So from your Shopify admin, go to your online store, then Pages, then open the page you created in step 1, then under the theme template section on the right, select Judge Me under Reviews, then add the description and optimize SEO, which is optional, then click Save. Your reviews page is now set up, then let's add some finishing touches. Add the page to your navigation menu. To add all the reviews page to your navigation menu is that you should need to go to your content, then menus, then select the type of menu you want to add in the page. Let's say for example is main menu or footer menu. Then click plus add menu item, then add a label under label and search for the page under link, then click on Save.